So, I'm supposed to know everything about military aircraft? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. Understand the Mahara's unique design and capabilities. It's not just a plane, it's a game changer in the skies. Step 2. Learn about its advanced technology and stealth features. Perfect time to appreciate how it outmaneuvers the competition. Final step. Recognize its role in modern warfare and defense. Boom! Now you're in the know. No military degree required. Y'all see this? Use code military20 for exclusive insights. Or keep guessing. Your choice.